welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I think this will be the start of a new vlog because it is Mother's Day weekend. In honor of my mom, to celebrate my mom, I'm trying to figure out what to do because this is a difficult time for me. For those that don't know, I lost my mom 3 years ago. It'll be 3 years next week. So every Mother's Day since then hasn't been easy. It's just been rough. So I decided that I'm just gonna try to get through it like any other Mother's Day. I'm gonna try to get through it because if she was here, I would definitely be doing something with her. I'm trying to muster up the strength to go do something by myself. I just want to be by myself. So I'm about to head to the city. I saw this mural that I want to check out. It's like a Mother's Day mural, and she did it in honor of like Mother's Day and like remembering mothers, like basically people who lost their mom. It's somewhere downtown Manhattan, like Lower East Side Manhattan. So I'm gonna go check that out, and then I'm gonna just spend the day in the city. I just want to get out the house, be by myself today, and just go wherever the mood takes me. So yeah, that's what I'm getting into today. If you're somebody that's watching this that's lost their mom, or you're going through grieving and it's a struggle, I get it. I get it 1000%. It's not easy. It's never gonna be easy around these times, especially when you was close to your mom. It's never gonna be easy. But you just have to remember the memories and reminisce on the moments that you guys shared. And just remember that they'll want you to be happy. They'll want you to enjoy and live life. Even though you're gonna be sad and depressed and hurt, they will want you to find in the midst of all that, enjoy and live life. It's gonna be hard, but just remember what they'll want. And that's what keeps me going every time. On top of me praying and keeping my faith in God, that's what keeps me going. So once again, if you lost your mom, my heart is with you. I understand your pain. I understand the struggle during this time, our birthdays, holidays. I get it. But keep praying and know that your mom is watching over you, because I know for a fact mine is. Happy Mother's Day to everybody that's watching if you're a mom. Yeah, so I'm about to head to the city right now. Keep watching the vlog, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all when I get to the city. Yo, I got lost. I got off the train and walked like mad far and then came back up this block. Like I got off the train around the corner right there and I walked past here all the way around, came back up. Like I don't know how I got lost, but I got lost. But I'm like, for me to live in New York this long, sis, how you getting lost? This mural is so pretty. Like, try not to get emotional, but it's so pretty. She did her big thing with this mural. Like, it is so cute. Like, I love it. As long as I've been living in New York, I'ma always get lost. especially if I'm coming down to Lower East Side, I'ma get lost, which I did. I don't walk past the mural, went all the way around, and I gotta come back. And I came back, and I'm like, wait, this is where I got off the train. It's so pretty. I had to come see it myself. I'm in love with it. But I saw another mural down there, but it's not like Mother's Day theme or anything, but it's cute. I'm gonna show y'all. And then I'm gonna go get some food. So I'm literally on the side of the street vlogging. Clearly I don't care, so. But yeah, I'm gonna go get me some food. And I saw a Jamaican restaurant, Thai restaurant. I saw this vegan ice cream place. This ice cream place that sells vegan ice cream on here. I'm gonna get me some. Got me a wrap on this homemade wrap place. It's called the Howling. That's called the good. Look at the place. This thing is huge. Look at this. So big. It smells so good though. Wow. Look how big this thing is. That thing is so big. I wish they cut it though. It do smell good though. It smells really good. But I'm gonna eat all this one. It's really yummy. It's really big, but it's good. Y'all, it got so cold. Thank y'all. Hi. Because they have vegan cookies with cream all the vegan. Chili shortcake, butt pudding, churros. Do you have these here? Do you have the Planet Earth?
We do not.
Damn. Do you have like a taste test thing?
Yeah.
Can I taste the Planet Earth one? It's cute in here. Oh. Okay. Can I have a small one of this one?
A scoop? 1 scoop in a cup?
Yeah, 1 scoop.
In a cup?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so I got me some vegan ice cream. I tasted it. It tastes really good, but it's a lot. I didn't know she was eating this much. But this one tastes good. This is a Planet Earth, something like that. This is really good. Well, I didn't show you what I bought. Yeah, so I got me some just to have in the house because I don't have no ice cream in the house. And this one is vegan cookie dough. I think I got. Let's see. Yeah, so I bought this just to have in the house. So you have to see if the chocolate, what's it? Chocolate chip cookie dough. Yeah, it's perfect. I love me some chocolate. But, oh, brain freeze. But y'all, it is chilly outside, but I came here because y'all see how big that wrap was. I didn't finish it because a homeless guy came in and asked me for the other half, and I gave it to him. Because I know I was going to finish it anyways, so I was giving him the other half. It's currently 7:36. It's a lot outside, but the sun sets at 8 o'clock. I'm glad I came out of the house because I would have been in a funk if I stayed in the house. So I'm glad I came out of the house. I'm glad I did something today because most likely tomorrow I won't be doing nothing. I was trying to get myself out of the funky mood. I think it's not gonna go away. But I just wanted to distract my mind for a while. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow. It tastes so good. Like, you can't even tell it's vegan. For real, for real. Hey y'all, it's Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. I'm on my way to the market to get me some things. I was thinking about it this morning when I woke up, like, I should make one of my mom's favorite dishes for Mother's Day.
Place your item in the bagging area. Your total is...
Yes, I'm walking back home now. I got everything that I need to get. The rain stopped. I'm also trying to make a reel, so I might not show you the process of me cooking, but y'all will see the results. Being in that supermarket just now with all them roses and flowers and all that, it definitely had me away because I'm like, damn, I can't even pick up anything for my mom. Like, it had me away. It's like so surreal. Like, it's still surreal to me, and it had me in my feelings just now. Like, I'm here looking at the roses and the flowers, and I'm like, the one Mother's Day that she did spend here, I did get her a bouquet of flowers. At least I have that in my mind, like, you know, I got her something. All right, y'all, I just came back from the supermarket. I got the smallest bag of rice. Like, I was not playing. Got some fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Of course, need some coconut milk to make the good old rice and peas. And I got some lemon juice to clean the fish. That's everything else for the rice. Some thyme, some hot pepper, some scallion, which I call spring onion. That's that, and then natural pineapple juice. It says natural, but then it says 14% juice blend. Like, make your mind up. Simply, make your mind up. Which one is it? What else I got? My mom, she loves grapefruit soda, but it's the grapefruit Schweppes, but I don't have that here, so this is the next best thing. And I got me some dark chocolate for snacking, and then I got me a cucumber and tomatoes for the salad that I know that's what my mom usually eat. I also got me an avocado. It's not a Jamaican avocado, but it'll do. I love this one. And then the fish, y'all, this was $10. Like, y'all see that price? Y'all see the price for that fish? $10. There's 4 fish in here. Yeah, 4 of them. What? For $10? Stop playing. We got all the ingredients here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so my fish is well seasoned. So I'm going to put in the fridge to marinate for like 2 hours before I start cooking. And I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm cooking. Y'all, so I'm sending Mother's Day texts to my friends because majority of my friends and associates, their mothers. So I'm sending Mother's Day texts to them. Besides me playing Brandy and Whitney and me tearing up earlier, I was doing good. I was doing okay until this girl texted me this, and I was like, oh my god. The minute all I saw was mommy, and all I saw was your mommy, and I just started bawling, you know. I just started bawling. You hear this noise in the background, especially because my peas, so yeah. All I heard was, I know your mommy, and oh my god. I specifically waited late to text my friends and people that are moms. For this reason alone, like I didn't want no pity party, nothing. I didn't want nobody, like, you know. That's what she texted me. I'm gonna put it on the screen because it's not focusing. So yeah, I'll put it right here what she texted me. And I just started bawling, but I didn't cry. I cried once this morning, once, and I was doing okay until freaking now I'm scared to text people now. Now I'm scared to respond to people. Honestly, I was trying to go through my mom's pictures. I was trying to go through my mom's messages on WhatsApp because I definitely still have them. I didn't delete nothing. Both numbers before she came here and when she came here, I still have both conversations. I didn't delete nothing. And I was going through them to try to find a picture of my mom sending me food, but I already know what her plate would look like. But I was just trying to find a picture, and I can't find a picture of like an actual dinner plate. Like, well, I want to check one messages. I'm gonna check the other one and see. All I see is me sending her mad food. I was sending her mad food. Like every time I cook, I was sending her food. Every time I'm out eating, I was sending her what I'm eating, where I'm at. Every time. So it's like I was trying to find a plate that she sent me, and I barely found anything. I found some stuff, but it wasn't dinner plates. Like it was just like real stuff that she was eating. But I'll check the other messages and see if I find that. But I think this should be done now because I'm about to go fry this fish. Because it's already 5 o'clock and I'm cooking mad late. But once I eat by 8 o'clock, I'm good. The fish should be done though, and the fish is seasoned and everything, so I'm good. Hey y'all, so almost done cooking. It's 7:33. I'm almost done cooking. The rice is done. I just have the fish. The fish is simmering down for like another 10 minutes, and then it's dinner time. I'm hungry as hell. But in the meantime, while I wait for that to finish, I got a new vase for my flowers, and then I didn't buy no more roses. I just bought that one yesterday. I got some fake flowers, some fake tulips from Amazon, because I'm like, I'm not gonna keep buying roses or flowers and then for them to die. So I got some fake tulips, and yeah. So obviously since the flower is fake, I don't need water and that stuff. So it's so pretty. It's like a translucent, or one of them. It's like translucent, or it's one of them bars. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's an amber crystal clear, 12 bars for flowers. I love it. I love it. So we're gonna do this right now. I'm gonna also put this one a part of it, because why not? Like put it in the middle of it all until it dies. But then again, it needs water. Damn. Yo, Amazon be looking out for me. Like, I guess I don't know if it's the same guy that always comes, but they be looking out for me. Like, they actually follow instructions, because I'll be telling them put my shirt in the garbage bin. Put it in the garbage bin. Some of them leave it on the steps, but majority of them put it in the garbage bin. Like, they listen to my instructions, because the leaving shit on the steps, and even especially when I'm at home, is crazy. So yeah, he went above and beyond and followed instructions. Yeah, I'll be rating them. You gotta rate them. This is her. So this is it. Yep, they're fake. I am not spending no more money buying any more flowers, roses, none of that. Why? When I can get them fake. It's not like I'm giving them to somebody. It's for me, for my decorations. Mandy's 20-piece artificial coral tulip. Coral. See? They're pretty. They dead feel real. Wait a minute. It's me trying to bend the thing. It's me trying to bend it to see if it's gonna break. Like the stems, especially the stems feel really real. But you can see, I don't know if you can see that they're really fake. They're fake. They're hella fake. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, they're They're pretty cute. What items I paid? I think it was like $10, honestly. I gotta untie so I can make sure that they're even. Quick little bouquet of roses. Quick little bouquet. Open our. Ooh, and they fall so beautifully. Look at that. Ooh, but look at that. So pretty. It's definitely a real copy of a real tulip because it has that thing in the middle, but you can't open it. But that's okay. Yeah, my food almost burnt. My shit almost burnt. I left it too high. I forgot to turn it down before I came out here. It's 7:47, so we right on time. Right on time for dinner. So we're gonna eat and watch some YouTube. I don't know who posted today. I have 133 subscribers. Like, hey y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. I think the last time I said that was like 104. So thank y'all for subscribing. I appreciate it. Yeah, so let's go share some dinner out and finally eat because I'm starving. Like, I know for a fact this is what my mother will be eating, like something like this, and how whatever I have in my plate is what she gonna have in her plate. Like, I know her down to a T, so I know that's exactly what she gonna have on her plate. So let's go in the kitchen and share some food. Let me show y'all what I chefed up real quick, mommy style. Yeah, y'all, so this is the meal that I know for a fact is one of my mom's favorites. Brown stew fish with rice and peas and tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado / pear, aka pear. And like I said, one of her favorite drinks is the grapefruit, but it's not the Ting company, it's Schweppes. I showed y'all earlier. I had the bottle in the freezer, so that's why it's like slushy like, which is fine. So yeah, I'm about to taste this with y'all though and give y'all my honest review. Cause it's been a minute I made this meal. We finna eat. We finally, but I'm on time though, so it's good. I'm on time. It's 8:09, and we finna eat. Dinner is served. Yeah. Ooh, this shit hot. Ooh, this meal had me going through today. I was worried about the rice because I bought the extra long grain rice, and I don't normally buy that. And I forgot, I'm like, why didn't I get basmati rice, or jasmine rice? I just grabbed the first thing I saw, the first small bag that I saw, and dipped. So I was worried about the rice, but then I saw that I had to put more water, whatever the case is. And I was like, wait, this is actually how my mom likes her rice. She doesn't like her rice dry. She doesn't like dry rice. This is actually how she likes her rice and peas. I remember when I first cooked for her when she came here, and she told me that. I don't cook rice like this. Sometimes it comes out like this, but it's just not my go-to. So yeah, let's taste the rice and see. Okay. You know that little burnt taste, like when it's about to start burning? I taste that, but it's not bad. It's okay. It's only because I was doing other stuff. But the rice is good. Plus, I didn't use regular salt. I used my pink Himalayan salt because I'm trying to avoid using regular salt. So the rice, I'll give the rice an 8 out of 10. All right, let's taste the fish now. Ooh. Let's taste the fish. That fish is well seasoned, baby. I only let it marinate for 2 hours, but look at that. Look at that. It's good. The fish, I give it a 10 out of 10. I just know how to make fish. I know how to make some fish. This might be the end of the vlog. Anybody else that lost their mom, happy heavenly Mother's Day to your mom. So yeah, I'm gonna finish eating my food because that's not a meal that you could eat and talk at the same time. So I'm gonna finish eating. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you're also someone that lost a parent, especially your mom, I hope that today you did something in honor of her and something to remember her presence and her existence. If you got this far in the video, drop a white dove for my mommy. I just want to say happy heavenly Mother's Day to you, Mom. I love you. I miss you. And until we meet again, continue to watch over me.